What's going on, guys? So we're back here at the B. Had a little bit of trouble. As you can see, everything is in. Roll bars in, seats are in. A little bit of a pain to put that seat in. I did get this radio. I got this radio off of eBay. It was only 21 bucks. It's not a CD player, just regular radio, MP3, FM, takes an SD card. It's about all we're going to need. It's basically got the radio, 2 speaker boxes, 6x9s and 6x9s. And with those 3 items all together, it was less than 100 bucks. It was like 78 bucks or something like that. So I had a little bit of a mishap. I think the clutch was stuck or something, because it would not go into gear. So I was thinking maybe the reason why that guy parked it in Colorado was because the clutch was messed up. But I ended up screwing around with it, threw it in freaking reverse as hard as I could, and it popped right in. And now my clutch is back. So let's take it for a little spin around the driveway. Now hopefully my pipe don't fall off because I didn't secure it. Oh, my temperature gauge is still not working, so I still got to figure out why that's not working. Little sticky. Put you down anywhere, but I'll put you right there. Maybe I'll have you facing me. See what else we can get into. Take it easy, guys. Thanks.